everyone. I wanted to go over the solutions to some of the problems from section 1.5 on composite functions. So remember composite notation, f circle g of x equals f of g of x. So what this is going to mean is the g of x function replaces each and every x in the f function. So let's take a look at example 1. You're given 3 functions. You're asked to find f of g of x. So you take g of x and you plug it inside of these parentheses. And the way you look at this is you say replace each and every x in the function f with this. So you'll see that I took this and plugged it in here, which led me to this. Then I distributed the 3 and I got 3x plus 15. You're given the same 3 functions, but this time you're asked to find h of f of x. So I go and find f of x is 3x, so I put it in here. Here's my h function, and I say to myself, I'm going to replace all of these x's in h of x with this. So you can see here that I do that. I took 3x, plugged it in here, and cubed it. That distributes to each of the terms inside, so 3 cubed x cubed results in 27x cubed. Again, the same 3 functions, but this one's a little trickier. This time, instead of having the answer be in terms of x, they have given you a value of x that you're supposed to evaluate in the h function first. So I got the h function, and I'm going to plug in -2. So -2 cubed is -8. Now, since that is equal to -8, then that means this becomes this, and I'm going to plug -8 into this function. So in for x, so it becomes -8 plus 5 is -3. The last 2 deals with these tables. So they want you first to find f of g of 5. So here's the g function. So you go find the x value 5, and it's equal to 1. So g of 5 equals 1. Now plug 1 in. X equals 1 becomes the x in f of x. So here, this becomes 1. So now I go to the function table for the f function. I look for where the x is 1 and the answer is 9. Now I do the same kind of thing in the last question, but now notice it's g of f of -1. So I'm going to go to the f table and look to see what the value of the function is when x is -1, and that's right here. F of -1 is 5. So now that I'm going to replace this with 5, so I'm evaluating g of 5. Well, when I go to the g function and I plug a 5 in, I get 1. So that's why g of 5 is 1. Okay, I hope that helps. If you have any questions or need any other help, let me know.